In Lithuania, do you have like the football ultras, like the neo-Nazi gangs that fight each other and stuff?
Not really. We have skinheads somewhere. There's one bar where you shouldn't go if you look like me and you look like you. Like I have curls, so they would think I'm Jewish, and they don't like that.
How's the bar called?
Apuokas.
What does it mean?
It means the how? Wait, how is that bird which can turn its head?
Owl.
Owl. Yeah, it means an owl. Get owls. But what?
Ah ouais? Ouais. Je suis allé à Lyon la semaine dernière, je me suis fait infuser dans toutes les rues.
Ah, que des fachos à Lyon.
Mais il y a que ça, mais c'est pour ça que Valentin s'est cassé. Hein. Tous les jours il se faisait cracher dessus, il se faisait insulter. Il avait sa coloc, c'était une meuf, elle se faisait genre agresser au couteau dans le tram tous les jours, genre. C'est des bails où genre t'as l'impression que genre. Et puis même genre tu vois tu vois des ratonnettes, tu sais que c'est à Lyon. Tu vois un rassemblement un petit groupuscule de néo-nazis, tu sais que c'est à Lyon. Lyon. Putain de ville, mais putain de ville de fachos aussi. Hein. Mais en même temps, il y a grave une communauté de gens qui survivent à Lyon.
Oui,
il y a ce bail de genre vraiment.
La jeune garde, c'est Lyon. Hein.
Oui, bah oui. Et il y a aussi ce truc de genre, bah moi je fais que les milieux queer, mais je sais que les milieux queer, vraiment c'est genre un truc de genre solidarité parce que bah on sait ce qu'on vit tous les jours, tu vois. Tu sais, t'es vraiment smash avec ta nouvelle tenue, hein. Avec ta nouvelle coiffure. Hein.
Merci.
T'es devenu pédé un petit peu, ça me.
C'est grave dep, mais tu sais que ça me fait un peu peur parce que je me dis que là, je pars pendant un mois en Europe de l'Est et tout. Et je me dis, ça se trouve, tu vois, en Pologne, tu peux pas te balader avec une gueule comme ça sans te faire emmerder et tout. Je me demande, parce que là, je vais à Leipzig ce week-end-là et on m'a dit, ouais, il y a des nazis dans le centre-ville.
Mais ça fait partie du challenge, hein. Enfin, genre, tu fais ça, tu black bloc, faut que tu fasses black bloc en Pologne aussi. Hein.
Ouais, hein.
Otwarte? Oh, Jesus Christ. Equally. Ah, okay, like this. Okay. Zamknięte auto. Hotel. Cool. Okay. That's weird. Mission. Premier. Lettre. Premier.
But I would have thought that in schools they don't teach you Russian, but because right now it's kind of the enemy of the West, so it's like.
In like middle school and high school, they don't. You cannot choose like Russian. I mean, maybe in some like language schools, but not in like normal schools, not really. But at college, you can choose whatever language you want. To be honest, like that's not that big of a deal. But like when my parents were like children, they had to learn Russian at schools. Because we were...
It was mandatory?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Mandatory because we were invaded.
Croix-Jean, le boss de Paris. Son entreprise de pain de mie fait fureur auprès de la jeunesse favorisée du 11e arrondissement. Il aime les miettes de pain, le cash et les 9 de I.
Les stickers ou les tags représentant des symboles de haine sont très nombreux sur les murs des villes d'Europe. En Pologne, il y en avait énormément. Ce symbole-ci, par exemple, est très récurrent. C'est une croix celtique ou croix celtique écourtée. Un logo largement utilisé par des groupes d'extrême droite, néo-nazis, ultranationalistes et néo-fascistes. Ces derniers sont de plus en plus nombreux partout et prônent des idéologies ultra-violentes centrées autour de la haine raciste, antisémite, homophobe et j'en passe.
Oh, actually, in Poland, like maybe like 5 years ago, was like places. I mean, districts free of LGBT plus. I mean, not like governmentally, but like there were like, you know, shops or like restaurants, and it would have stickers like zone free of LGBTQ plus.
But what does it mean? Like, how do they know you're gay?
Ask them. I have no idea. That was so fucking stupid. But like, yeah, the government made gay people an enemy basically, and that was like very visible years ago. Right now it's like calmed down a lot. Like, I don't think that's the thing right now. It's so much calmer right now, and that's good. I don't know how it's gonna be now after the presidential election, but yeah, we're gonna see. I just wanna like watch ducks. Shit. So like, just let me watch the ducks and I'm gonna be happy. I was laughing at her I was so fucking embarrassed because lately she and her boyfriend like got a Tesla. On which side are you even, bitch? Like, be for real.
You can be a leftist and have a Tesla, that doesn't work.
Literally, right?
Especially buying it now.
Like, it was like economic decision, not the like, ideals and values decision. And I was like, it doesn't work like that. I mean, if you believe in something, you will like go through life with this idea in your head and like, make deeds according to it, right? Like,
Maybe not buying a Nazi car, basically.
In a couloir. We have that in Polish. For example, like talks in couloirs, and it's like rozmowy, talks w kuluarach.
And what does it mean?
Like talks in couloirs.
But what does it refer to?
Like when there is, for example, like talks in politics and like Sejm or Senate or like the institutions. So we talk like rozmowy w kuluarach trwają. Like the talks in couloirs are pending.
Au moment où je m'y rends, la Pologne est un pays en pleine métamorphose, sortant tout juste d'une élection présidentielle remportée par l'extrême droite. Karol Nawrocki est élu président en juin 2025 avec seulement 0,89% d'avance sur son adversaire, Rafał Trzaskowski, candidat de droite modérée. Le nouveau dirigeant polonais fait partie du PiS, un parti qui baisse l'âge du départ à la retraite ainsi que la TVA et promeut la gratuité de l'enseignement ou encore l'allongement des congés maternité. Derrière ces mesures sociales alléchantes se cachent des valeurs nationalistes et militaristes, l'interdiction de l'avortement et du mariage homosexuel notamment. Nawrocki est connu pour avoir beaucoup fréquenté des milieux hooligans ultra-violents et des personnalités néo-nazies.
It's gonna be really bad, I think. We're thinking about running away from Poland, especially if PiS and Confederacja are gonna win the next parliament, because now we have a leftist party and central. If the president was from this party, then something would change for the better. But if he's from PiS party, then nothing's gonna change, and in 2 years it's probably gonna be fucking, I don't even know.
But if you leave Poland, where would you go, by example?
Where? That's a really good question. Probably like Sweden or Danish.
Denmark?
Denmark, yeah. Very supporting for the immigrants.
I mean, you can go, but you will be very far from your family and stuff, so...
Yeah, I don't care. I wanna leave this country. Also, it was fake.
The last election?
Yeah. And it was proved that they faked it.
But don't you have, like, teams of basketball fans that fight each other and...
Yeah.
Vilnius and Kaunas teams. Žalgiris and Rytas. Žalia balta.
The neo-Nazis you have in Lithuania, are they like pro-Russian globally?
Mainly, yeah. But there's not a lot of them. They're very dangerous though. They could stab you because of how you look. They come from Russia, skinheads.
Au matin de mon 4e jour en Lituanie, tous les téléphones de ma chambre d'auberge sonnent en même temps. On a tous reçu un message d'alerte qui nous expliquait qu'un drone biélorusse avait été détecté dans le ciel lituanien et que le gouvernement appelait à la grande vigilance ainsi qu'à toutes les informations qui permettraient de le retrouver ou de savoir s'il s'était écrasé quelque part.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Do you think you would be able to take your girlfriend's hand in the streets in like Białystok or?
Well, I don't know, because I am just very Western Polish, so I don't know what it is like in the East. But I think cities in general are quite chill. And also the thing that you mentioned, the anti-LGBT zone, I really don't know what to think about it. Because in practice, nothing really changed. They named some zones anti-LGBT, but I also have gay friends from that parts of Poland, and they didn't see any change in a way. Of course, it's not nice to be labeled anti-LGBT, but it doesn't change maybe as much as people would think. It's not like you're illegal there, you know? Okay. I can move away. I have a favorite like vegetable and fruit stand, and at some point I visited them with my girlfriend, and also the moment I mentioned that it's my girlfriend, they became so sour, like very weird. But I don't think they have a problem with me. I think they just didn't expect it.
Do you think it would be the same if you were a guy dating a guy?
Yeah, I don't know, and I think that could be yeah, you got me there. It would probably be more difficult.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, I'm also really wondering Ukrainian situation in Poland, that there are so many Ukrainians, will change the culture of Poland, because they are more conservative than us. It's like Polish people from the East, and to be honest, I'm a bit afraid of that they will bring more of this conservative vibe. They're obviously very welcome, but I don't feel super comfortable with, for example, big groups of Ukrainian boys. Are they supposed to assimilate with conservative Christian values, or are they supposed to assimilate, be part of this more liberal, chill, non-homophobic community? It's really difficult to tell. Here, we can put you here. Yeah, I think something is off. That's not good.
Varno ir šarkų kova. I think someone won.
Between the crows and the magpies?
See, it's quiet. I think crows. I think they won.